Musicality fundamentals, the rhythm. Who knows what's musicality?
Study of music.
Study of music, yes. How do we relate to music to the dance? Yes. Right? How is it? Good point. Yes. One of the elements is rhythm. Is what we're going to be working in this class. How we understand music and rhythm. Yes. Good, good, good. There are many elements in musicality besides the rhythm, which I would say are more advanced elements of musicality about the energy of the dance, the style of the dance, right? How different the dance evolves through the music. We have moments that are soft, can be smaller, moments with more energy. We have breaks. We have so many things happening in the music that we can use to our advantage when we dance. Musicality, yes? In this class, as a fundamentals, I want us to understand the beats in the song. And it's interesting, I have this conversation with an instructor, a friend of mine, saying that many times it's easier, although we think about complex movements and turns and hands, step here, step there. It looks complex, but it's much easier, I feel, to learn this. We can learn in a class than musicality. Musicality is about being able to feel the music, understand the songs. The songs are not the same. Every song is different. We have faster rhythms. We have slower rhythms. We have syncopated rhythms. We have like more grounded beats. So it's our ability to understand the beat. Yes? Also, how we can use this to connect to our partner. These are the elements I want to work with you all. And an interesting thing is we always hear in forró classes the counts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does anyone know what are we counting?
The triangle?
A good guess, but no.
It's the drum. I forgot.
The ZABUMBA, yes. This is a very good guess. In reality, the count we do is our steps. Our steps. But in forró, many times we're trying to dance with the ZABUMBA. So when you hear a forró song, what do we hear? What is the ZABUMBA doing? What is the low beat doing when we...
Marking the steps or marking the rhythm of the song.
And which is usually... Dum, 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 chaka, dum, 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 chika, dum, 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 chika, dum, 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 chika, dum, 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 chika, dum, dum, dum. How do we dance? Dum, chika, dum, 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 dum. All our steps, when we count, are related to those beats. Make sense? But then we also have other styles of forró where the ZABUMBA plays something a little bit different. Tricky. Then it's a little bit of a different dynamic when we dance. And as dancers, we have choices how we want to interpret that. We can continue dancing 1, 2, 3 the exact same way. Or we can really try to go with the ZABUMBA. Yes? This is what we are trying to hear when we're listening to the music and be able to connect and be responsible for our own beat. Yes? So what I want to do now, we're going to just dance whatever moves you know how to dance. Doesn't matter if you're doing turns, no turns, just dancing together. I just want you both to listen and feel if you're connected to the beats. Yes? This video that you just watched is an excerpt from a workshop taught at the Forró New York Weekend 2021. The full class is available as a bonus of our online musicality course. More information at Forró New York, link in the description.